Hi everyone, Letty here, Party Planner Papery. I have another Happy Planner mystery bag unboxing. This is the Buzzy Garden one. I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that came in this mystery bag. Welcome back everyone. So I have another super fun item that I had picked up from the Happy Planner at the end of 2025, but this is something that it's like a mystery bag, and I believe this one is still available as of the filming of this video. Like when you see this, I believe it should still be available, like when I first released the video. Hopefully, if it's something that you want, you'll be able to get it. I will have an affiliate link down in the description box below. This specific item is called the Buzzy Garden Planning Mystery Bundle or something like that, like planning mystery bag, something like that. And so this is a super fun idea because you get a ton of different stuff inside of a canvas bag. I thought this was super fun. There were two different options. I did pick up both of them, but unfortunately the second option is already sold out. And so I think what I'll do in a separate video, I'll still go ahead and unbox it, if not at the end of this one, but I definitely want to showcase this one because this first one, this Buzzy Garden one, is still available. So if you want to purchase this one, again, I think it's around $35. I do know that you cannot use any additional discount codes or any additional like things off of that because it's already such a discounted like bundle. But I think it's still worth every bit of the $35. So let me show what comes in this. But first off, this canvas bag is absolutely stunning. Perfect for spring. It is double-sided, of course. And so it is absolutely gorgeous. The handle is like this super pretty light blue, almost periwinkle kind of color. Super, super pretty, durable. It looks like it's double layered, so it's pretty, thick and durable. And the way that it comes packaged on the inside is you get everything that comes in this mystery pack all in one giant plastic bag. And so look at all of this. So not only do you get, of course, this canvas bag, but then you're gonna get all of this. And I see a big like planner or something here. I see an actual like zip folio back here. There's a ton of stuff. Let me take it out of the bag and we'll kind of just do a quick little unboxing piece by piece. Okay, so I've taken everything out. I've got most of it on the side here. We're gonna kind of go piece by piece. So of course you've got your fun canvas bag. I'll put that aside for a second. The zip folio is gonna be a classic size. So it's a classic planner zip folio. So you would be fitting the classic size planners in here, which is actually my favorite. I love this like mustard yellow tag here, or the pull tag. And so it did come with a plastic wrap around it, but I went ahead and took that off, and I've already I've like snipped where this was attached over here at the top. And so this is just, of course, the wrapping. But it has the Happy Planner logo right here in like either a leather or like a pleather, maybe like a vegan leather. This feels kind of like vegan leather-y. And so you do have a pocket right here. That is gorgeous. Here's the back. Love the little daisy print. And so you've got this really pretty bright gold zipper. And you can zip it all the way. It's a complete zip. Well, three ends, three sides. So that's what's in the inside. And then you do have right here, you've got your pocket back here. You could put some sticker sheets or an extra little sticker book. You've got some pockets here that you could stick items into. You've got a packet back here or a little section back here. And look at this. They even have it like double-sided on all of these areas. So you could also stick a sticker book or something back there. You've got a zipper, sort of like a hidden zipper pouch right there. Look at that. Super fun. You've got a pen loop right here or highlighter loop or something like that. And then on this other side, you do have a pocket right here. And then of course you've got your main pocket where you will stick you could technically stick a planner in or additional items and then just lay your Happy Planner right on top. You've got some options there. So this I think is super fun. I love the colors. And again, classic size is my favorite. So this is gonna be absolutely fun to use when I am on the go with one of my planners. I think this is super fantastic. So that's a fantastic find. And again, this whole package was $35. So that, I think these retail, honestly, I wanna say they retail for at least $30 alone. So that is a fantastic, fantastic find. Now, the actual planner itself, and it says plans and notes. So this one right here, this is how it comes packaged in the like bubble wrap. I just wanted to share that with you first before I take it out. Let me take it out real quick though. Okay, so here's what this looks like. It says it's a plans and notes. Here's what the front is, and here are the discs. And notice that they do not have the Happy Planner like heart in the middle or a shape. That's a little bit interesting. So this may be something that's a little bit more old school maybe, or just something else that they're trying. And I do notice that the actual like cover is not the typical like thick laminated cover. It is more of just a sort of like a plastic vinyl kind of situation. And so let's look at the back real quick because it kind of shows an overview. So it looks like we're going to be getting 6 sticker sheets right here. And it looks like they're all like for the months and basically what you would need to go ahead and fill in all of the calendar pieces of this. And of course, to do some like note taking and stuff like that. You do have monthly calendar pages. Okay. So you've got your regular box monthlies. And then you've got 4 dividers, which are these right here. You've got a year overview, which I think is going to be something like this. And then you're also going to get some note paper as well. Okay, so it's not a traditional calendar. It's more for taking notes and for, you know, you'll have your monthlies and stuff, but it's not like a traditional calendar that you're going to go like day by day by day. At least that's my initial interpretation of this. So you do get you get a solid sheet right there in the front. Okay. And that I guess was just because this is more of like a vellum kind of thick, you know, plexi maybe thing. And so you get your sticker sheets right here up at the front. So let's just take a quick peek at this. So you got your sticker sheets. I think it said what, 6 sticker sheets. So you've got all the different months. That's fantastic. And then you've got your actual pages. Okay. And it looks like then you're going to go into your monthlies. So you've got a monthly, like sort of list, kind of lister for each of the different months. And you've got the whole year, so all the way up to December. You've got some additional pages here, goals. Then we go into our calendar months. And so, and it looks like you've got a calendar, you've got some additional spare pages, and then you go into your next calendar. So that's pretty interesting because it really is just like you're going to be using your monthly view and then maybe a little bit of extra notes. So, and that will repeat. It looks like it repeats just throughout until the end, until I'm assuming you get the full 12, okay? Then you've got your first divider, and there's nothing here. You got your second divider, you've got your third divider, your fourth divider, and then you've got a ton of your actual like loose paper, and there is a ton of it. I mean, it's a big chunk of the actual loose paper, which makes up the bulk of this notepad or this notebook. So again, it's not a traditional planner. It is more of a notebook. However, it does have the calendar layout already embedded, and it does give you the stickers. So that way you can date it whenever you want to start it. So that's pretty neat. I think that is a different thing. This is perfect, I think, for somebody who doesn't want a traditional planner that tracks like every single day and just maybe does like a monthly overview. Maybe somebody like a budgeter who just wants like the monthly bills listed somewhere, and then maybe like just some notes as they go along, but not really like a day-to-day kind of situation. I think this is going to be perfect. And this is gorgeous. It does have some gold foiling on it. It's just, like I said, it doesn't seem as durable as what we normally see from the Happy Planner, but you know, if you have it at home, that probably would not be a big problem. So there's also a planner companion accessories, and this is the butterflies and blooms. You get a little pouch here, and then it looks like you get several other items. Here's everything that comes in it. I'm not going to take this one out because there's a lot of little bits and pieces, but you're basically going to get that pouch that I showed you up at the front, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So if you love butterflies and florals, this might be the set for you. You have 2 vision boards. So you've got vision boards right here, and then you've got a dry erase board as well. And then you're going to get 3 plastic envelopes. You're going to get 20 sheets of note paper. Okay. And it looks like it's really gorgeous. I don't know if it's going to pick it up on camera, but it looks like you've got like little, like where you can put projects and to-dos and your timekeeping. You've got your storage folder, which is this folder right here. And this is gorgeous too. It has gold foiling also. You're going to get 20 sticker sheets. Wow, that's a ton. And then you're also going to get a pocket. So you could absolutely, in theory, put some of this in here. The only thing is this is the big size. So it's like a huge full size. And this is actually for a classic. But the classic actually is what they gave us for here. So this would coordinate perfectly with something like in here. They did also give us some additional classic sheets. I'm kind of wondering why they gave us a big planner and then everything else for classic. But again, I'm not complaining because classic is my favorite. So I would have preferred to get mostly classic stuff and just a little bit of big than to get all big, you know. So, because I can use this on other planners that I have. So this is super fun, the filler paper. Look at that. It's got that really pretty floral print right down the center, which adds a really nice touch. Super, super pretty. And it looks like you get 40 sheets of that one. Then we've got some dashboards. So 3 dashboards. So this little collection does come with a ton. And again, they're floral themed. This is going to be perfect for spring. Super, super pretty colors, very tranquil. So you get 3 of those. And then we do get some extra discs. So these are the expander discs. So if you want to expand this from this kind of medium size to a larger size disc, it actually gives you the disc that you can expand it with. Okay. And these are like a pretty sort of like almost like a camo, but like a really pastel camo, kind of camouflage kind of image. So I think that's pretty. It does have the hearts in them as well. So that's one thing. Now, stickers. We do have 3 sticker books that came with this set. So normally sticker books retail, you know, it's usually like around either $19.99 or $29.99, depending on the style. So to get 3 books, and then of course the smaller books are not as expensive. They're usually what, like $5.99, $6.99, something like that. So, but you still get 3 different books. Let's take a look at these. So this one is Tiny Florals, and I don't think I have any of these, which is fantastic. So Tiny Florals, look at that. And it does have foiling on it. Love the color. Oh, absolutely love the color in this. So again, just a little sneak peek. Birthday. Ooh, I love this. And the beauty of some of these stickers is you could even use them on your cards if you want to. They're super, super fun. So that's just a little sneak peek of what comes in that one. That one, again, is called Tiny Florals, and it is a classic sticker set, which, again, that's my favorite. Then we have this one. This one's called Seasonal Florals, and I don't even think I have this one. Ooh, this one has some real pretty foiling on it. Really, really pretty. Super, super gorgeous. And there's a combination of cardstock sticker as well as sort of like your vellum or your clear sticker. Lots and lots of foiling on some of these. I think this is just absolutely stunning. Again, if you are a floral lover or you're ready for spring, this might be the set for you. Like, it's so, so pretty, and you get so many floral things. So that's just, again, a little sneak peek there. And this one is called Seasonal Florals, and it's also the classic size. And then the last thing is this little sticker pack. It's Color Story Florals, and let me just open it real quick. Okay, so here's what it is. Again, Color Story Florals. You get 8 different sheets, and they're all literally florals, but in different colors. So yeah, that's the back one. So you've got this one that has more of your naturals, your neutrals, yellows, greens, got blues, 2 of each, I guess. Looks like this one has like a peachy coral color, and then you end with another sort of like greenish color. So and I probably accidentally like fast forward or something, but that's what you're getting in this collection. Okay, so those were all the items that came in this. I think, again, it's called like Busy Garden or Buzzy Garden, like planner mystery bundle or mystery kit or something like that. As of the filming of this, it is still available, and I will showcase the second mystery bundle that I picked up. That one is actually unfortunately already sold out, but I'll still show it to you guys, so that way, again, if in case Happy Planner puts some of these things in the future, you can kind of get an idea of what to expect for future. But again, I'll have my affiliate link down below. It helps my channel grow at no extra cost to you. Plus, I think if it's your first purchase, I think you do also get some type of additional like little discount emailed to you or something if you use it. So I really appreciate anybody who does use my affiliate links. It just makes me be able to show you items like this, and really kind of enjoy our crafty journey as we go along. So thank you so much. And as always, happy crafting. Thanks for visiting, everyone. Let me know in the comments down below, what was your favorite item from this mystery bag? Happy crafting.